These wonderful women. I want to thank my moms. It's not easy to have two moms. Yay! So thank you. LU baby, thank you. Nikki, my love. Mwah. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Because this is a lot. Like when I saw the bag, I was like, hey, so yes, let's unbox now. Let's store this up and pack it up. So I usually get this bucket of popcorn just so I can have containers, recycle it and pack. So come along with me. Let's do that. So here we have scent leaf. So I'm just going to put that in the Ziploc I have for my scent leaf. So and here we also have okazi leaf, sliced okazi leaf, as it should. Then this is another scent leaf, so I think I'm going to pack the both of them together in this Ziploc, to minimize space. I usually leave my vegetables in the Ziploc, yeah. Now, this is crayfish, small amount of crayfish. This one is not blended or anything or grounded. Yeah, crayfish. Abacha. Also, it's like abacha recipe is coming your way, like the modernized version, the Gen Z version of abacha is coming your way, like, wait for the recipe. Dried ogo. Ooh, okay. I'll be trying this for the first time. I've tried frozen ogo. Yes, fresh ogo. I've not tried dried ogo. So yes, thank you, mommies. I'm trying this. We have pepper. Ose. Very important and very vital. Grounded pepper. Yeah. Now we have okuroko. Hey, cut. This is what we call cut. Flex. Yeah, so this is stockfish flex. Cut, okuroko. Ooh, we have cocoyam, grounded cocoyam. This is used for soup thickening. It's like a soup thickener, a better version or a healthier version, whatever. But I do love this. Like, I'm stocking up. So this is egusi, grounded egusi. Have I given you guys a egusi recipe? No, it's coming your way. Relax. I have stocked up. I'm coming for you in 2025. Brace for impact. Brace for the blessings. So this is grounded crayfish. You cannot cook as an Igbo person without crayfish. Crayfish goes with everything. For people that say you cannot put it in jollof rice, I will put it in my jollof rice. Come on, beat me. Yes. Crayfish goes with everything. Dried owa. Oil bean. Dried owa. Yeah. So process is dry. So when you want to use this, you just soak it in hot water for like some hours. Then before you use it for your uba or abacha or umpobi or whatever you want to use it for. So it's coming your way. Oh yeah, this is from my sister-in-law to my baby. It's like baby food, pap, dry pap, something. Yeah, I'm going to be trying that out. Yeah, thank you so much, sister. Like, this guy's been receiving it back to back. Look at me now, nobody's sending me. It's when you borrow Christmas. I'm writing it down for all of y'all. When you borrow Christmas, right? So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much, sister. Thank you. Another one, egusi. Yes, this big man here, egusi. Grounded egusi. This is cloves. Don't know if you can see. These are small cloves. I use it for hair spray and hair oil. So yeah, we'll be making that and we'll also be seeing it. Yes. Now we have stockfish. This is, I think, akok morocco, what they call it is like the full stockfish, then cut into bits. So in Igbo, we'll call it akok morocco, I guess, yes. That cut in bits. So yes, menta oba. So this is like 2 big packs, 2 big packs. Hey, 2 big packs of oba. So yeah. Now we have dried fish. I don't know the type of fish, but whatever fish it is, I know they will select the best for me. Like they know better. Yes, I don't know. But yes, dried fish is here for the soup. It's here. Yes, dried fish, but a different type of dried fish. I think it's catfish, dried catfish. Yeah, this one. Oh, my mom said this one is ajumbisi. And pepper soup spices and the rest, you know, uziza, fioi, all these local herbs, you know, you use for your soups and pepper soup. Ajumbisi, if you're from Mbisi, if you're an Igbo person, you should know what this is. So yeah, look at that fish. Oof. Like wazo. Like, yes, let's pour them in here. Like, comes with different type. Let's test. Yeah, it's actually very good and it's so dry. Like, store this properly and you won't have issues with it. It is so dry. I love this. It tastes so good. Wow. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Oh wow, thank you people so much. People were very nice. Oh, Madam Lou. Thank you guys so much. Oh, you don't mean it. There's another type of fish in there. Oh wow. Come on, focus, beauty. This round fish, chai. Oh, isn't it? There's in them in my life. Yeah. You are the best. You are the best. Thank you so much. Like, I will not be bothered about fish for months. Mon African shop, we have some dry fish. Nothing. They got nothing on me. They got nothing. Like, look at that. They will not see me when it comes to dry fish and not Morocco. In fact, they've not even seen me because this is women come correct. I don't think I've gotten stockfish here before. Like, it's true, I've not. My mommy's always come correct. Yeah? I will have them tell me, hold on, my love. On that your way. You know, as the last one. To be honest, like, she want to be the last one. Yeah. Like, okay, another bucket. So cute. Yeah. Four. Very nice. Very nice. So I'm going to also add this fish as well. Okay. For abacha, you know they have account for abacha ncha, but from my place in other states we use ncha for abacha. That's burnt palm front something, you know, the ash burnt palm front. So this is what we use ncha. I think it's better than account. But my sister-in-law and I wasn't a kwili fan, but for some reason this kwili hits. Sister, like this hits, like this is hits like for some reason, like just yesterday and today, and this is, I'll probably finish it today. So my loves, let's go ahead and pack them up and store them properly so they don't spoil. I don't actually have a big freezer. If not, I would actually put some of them in the freezer, but I have containers for it. So I specifically buy popcorn from Iceland. I think Iceland sells popcorn in buckets like this, just so I get like storage bags like this. That is wet. Just so I get storage bags like storage buckets like this. So I buy from Iceland, but I think at some point Iceland stopped selling it. But I think Tesco has this as well. So if the ones I have are not enough, I'll get more with popcorn, and then when I'm not eating the popcorn, I store the stuffs in it. So yes, repurpose your containers. We're saving the planet. Don't forget that, we're saving the planet. So yes, let's go ahead and store this up. It's actually washed, so I'm just going to clean it up and dry it properly. So we're ready. Well, for my vegetables and abacha and oba, I think I'm going to leave them in a ziploc because one, they don't smell, and two, they're actually dry. So yeah, they're good in there. The ones I have, I've actually left them in there and they're good. So yes, the only thing I'll be putting in here is the fish, crayfish, the fish, egusi, and the rest. So it's stored properly. So let's go ahead and clean this up. Clean this up. Hey, I'm so excited. Hey, one more. Like, do you know how much this is? Do you know how much this is? Talk to me with respect. Come on, talk to me with some respect. Like I'm carrying money here. How much is money? Do you know what this is? Pro tip, like if you're traveling and you're carrying fish and the rest, so you don't get turned back at the airport, or maybe when you're trying to like get it to your house, you know maybe bus or trains refusing your boxes because they say, oh, it has a smell or something like that. Pour coffee into your box and then buy a very strong air freshener and throw it into that box. Trust me, it will not smell at all. Like pour coffee, dried coffee into the box, and then throw in the air freshener, and that's it. Cover your box, no smell. Like I went to pick this up, my mom brought it, then I picked it up, I took National Express, no stress, no smell. Came back with a taxi, no smell. And these people, they are very, they pick on smells easily. They will just say like, oh, we can't carry it, I'm sorry, we can't carry it. So if you want to avoid embarrassment or them trashing your bag or trashing your food or your fish, because they're very expensive, it will break hearts, pour coffee into your box with the fish and the other things that has that strong smell, and put in a very strong air freshener into that box. Try it and thank you. Try it and thank you. Oh yeah. Yes, so put it in here. Fish on as well. Hi. Me on the eye. No, I'm not thank you. The pieces part, the tiny debris and the head. So I'm going to tie this up and put it in the bucket. Whenever I want to make like local jollof, use this. Close it properly, like airtight. Ground egusi is in, so I just have this. So I think I'll start with the grounded egusi first. The devil is a liar. Thank God most of it fall on the cabinet, because what? Hey God, liquid gold. Hey God. Second time. peppers packed. I'll wait for a small container to put the remaining one. We can be using it for now. Yeah, pepper done. I need to go freshen up now because I'm smelling like stockfish and dry fish. So yeah, so I'm going to clean up and then go freshen up. So bye. See, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please, let's grow this our small family. Please now, I beg. Chia Baranum Christmas, please.